Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play soccer game on Betway. First, open the Betway app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account using your username and password. Now you will see a list of soccer matches. This can be a league game, cup game, or international matches. Choose the match you want to play. When you click on the match, you will see a different betting options. The most common one is the match result. Here you choose home team to win, draw, or away team to win. After selecting your choice, it will appear in the bet list. After that, enter your amount of money you want to bet. Only bet what you can afford to lose. Once everything looks correct, click on place bet. If the bet is accepted, you will see a confirmation message. Now wait for the match to finish, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.